Hey YouTube, today we're in the garage and I wanted to show the process a little bit of adding the OEM Polaris high clearance A arms versus the stock XP arms. So as I said, these are the stock OEM arms. These came off the 2017-2018 XP1K Trails Rocks Edition. Some people call it the gold metallic edition. And so you have factory Polaris parts. It uses all factory Polaris ball joints, bushings, and all that. I mean, this literally took 20 minutes to swap everything over. Couldn't have been easier. Even reuses the little rock guard there. So, really like it. The nice thing too is they were a little over $90 each. So it's a cheaper option than Super ATV and High Lifter. So there it is with one side done. And then I'll go ahead and pick up again when I have the other side done and show it on the ground there. But this literally couldn't be any easier. It's awesome. Alright, stay tuned. And we're done. So we got both sides. Super easy. Oh my goodness. It was about 40 minutes start to finish. All factory parts. So you use the rock guard, ball joint, and then just swap over all the bushings. The only thing maybe I could recommend is the plastic bushings that go in here. Maybe buy some new ones of those. And it takes that 40-minute job into a 30-minute job, but wasn't that big a deal. Awesome. So the rear radius links will be here in a few days. That should be even easier swap. You don't have to worry about Heim joints or anything with those. And those will also be factory Polaris parts. So there you have it. Using the XP1K Trails Rocks Edition, lower A-arms, high clearance, all factory. This has been Bullet Outdoors. Peace.